Alright, what's up YouTube? Finally back in my shed, and man does it feel good. So, bit of a quick rundown on what's been going on, and then we'll get into the project. So, because of all this virus, I've just been MIA from the shed, and Instagram and YouTube and all those sort of things for about the last month or so. No, more like 2 or 3, but basically I had to sort of put it all on the back burner to just concentrate on work and family and doing everything I can to help the family and to keep us all safe and happy and everything I can. So, finally back in the shed. First project off the ranks is making a really nice chopping board for somebody. I think it turned out really mint. All the timber came from the wood show that I went to a couple of years back, and it's all been drying in my shed nicely. A lot of it got used on a chopping board a little while ago from my friend, and it turned out mint, and he loves it, and it's still going strong. So making another one, a little bit different design, but I think it turned out really nice. So if you want to check it out, that'd be really sick. Stick around to the end and see how it turns out. Alright, bit of a quick rundown. So basically I didn't worry about showing you because it's just a lot of table sawing, pretty boring, but basically I've cut down all these pieces roughly to the dimensions that I want. They're not thicknessed, they're not planed or anything yet, so basically I'm just getting it roughly there so I can make sure that I've got the length and width that I need, which is basically 450 by 350. And so I've got enough here, so basically I can clean them all up, surface them, sort them all out a bit more, and then, but this is basically the pattern. So yeah, I think it's going to look pretty cool, and yeah, just got to get into it. Alright, so all finished now. I think it turned out really cool, and I think the client's going to love it. A few little things I might have missed videoing because I'm really bad with remembering to turn the camera on and set it up and everything. So basically I just picked out a few nice pieces, cut them all up, worked them on the table saw, did everything, cleaned them all up, planed them all to get the nice joins, and then went to town with the thicknesser because they were about 30-35, and I had to bring them down to 25 and 350 by 450 I think it was. And yeah, overall did some little 45-degree cuts so you can pick it up a bit easier, and then went to town with the thicknesser, and then the planer, and then the sander, and did 320 on top and then just like 60 on the bottom, just so that it has a little bit more grip. I find it does help, and it's a sort of, yeah. And then just went to town with the oil. Did 3 coats of the food grade oil. That's just the one I use. There's probably like a lot of different options out there, but I just go for the one that I know is approved to be food safe. So overall, really happy. If you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Should be a thingy over there. You can go to Instagram, anything you want would be awesome. Or just a like. That'd be cool. Till the next one, peace.